Meet the family. Family members. Hi, I'm Mark. This is me. This is my mom and dad. They are my parents. My mom and dad have 3 children, me, my brother, and my sister. And this is my grandma and grandpa. They are my grandparents. My mom has a sister. She is my aunt. My dad has a brother. He is my uncle. My aunt and uncle have 2 children. They are my cousins. My brother is married to Julia. She is my sister-in-law. My brother and Julia have a son. He is my nephew. My sister is engaged to Jeff. They will be married soon. He will be my brother-in-law. My sister and Jeff have a daughter. She is my niece. Also, my grandmother's mother is here. She is my great-grandmother. And my grandfather's father is here too. He is my great-grandfather. My grandma has a sister too. She is my great-aunt. And my grandpa has a brother. He is my great-uncle. Relationship status. Single. This is a person who is not married and doesn't have a girlfriend or boyfriend. Engaged. This is when 2 people agree to get married in the future. Married. This is when 2 people decide to be together forever. Separated. This is when 2 married people decide to not live together anymore. Divorced. This is when 2 married people decide to not be married anymore. Other words to know. Siblings. These are all of your brothers and sisters. Grandchildren. The children of your children. This is for grandparents. Great-grandparents. The parents of your grandparents. Husband. This is the man when 2 people are married. Wife. This is the woman when 2 people are married. Mother-in-law. This is the mother of your wife or husband. Father-in-law. This is the father of your wife or husband. Ex-husband. This is the man after 2 people get divorced. Ex-wife. This is the woman after 2 people get divorced.